Alright, what up there, people? On the side of the road right now, just trying to do something. Not gonna lie, I keep forgetting to put my helmet strap on. But today is a bit of a cloudy day. I'm pretty sure it's gonna rain. There's some sprinkle on my goggles, so I don't know how long I'm gonna be out here. I hope there isn't too much sprinkles on the camera yet. But I've never recorded a cloudy day like this. It's quite windy, so you're not gonna be hearing me that often. But I'm just going for a quick trip. It's getting windier the more I get towards these mountains though. Once again, it's extremely windy, so yes, I am driving very slow. Just doing these slow speeds, I can feel my bike trying to move to the left. So, hopefully no one's gonna be behind me while I'm trying to drive. Because it is windy as fuck. I actually might take a short turn here just to explore more parts. Yeah, explore more parts because I'm always going over here. And the wind is now going to push me forward, so it's not going to take me sideways, and it's not too much wind in the other mic now, so you can hear me. Golly, man, this wind got me wobbling a little bit. Get over, motherfucker. Son of a bitch. The rain is getting heavy. I'm about to just take this to do a quick U-turn. I think the wind is gonna start blowing me back, so it's gonna be a little dangerous. I'm staying in the bike lane. That is a nice ass car. Golly. Throw some dates on that bitch. Yeah, there's definitely no going ham on this today. It is fucking windy. I'm taking the scooter out for a short drive. But once again, it's not gonna be high speed because it's really windy. We're just gonna be cruising it. If anything, I'm gonna turn this on eco mode dual wheel so these motors don't struggle. Or actually, we're probably better off doing mode number 2 or 1. But I just want to take a nice little cruise. I'm gonna stay on the side of the road for the people behind me. Oh shit. Just got dumb breezy, boy. Just when I said I was gonna stay on the side of the road, I forgot about this construction area. Golly, this feels really dangerous. I forgot this bullshit was in kilometers. Alright, so too bad I don't have my off-road wheels, but I'm pretty goddamn, there's water all over my GoPro lens. I'm gonna pop these wheels if I keep doing that. Shit, I'm trying not to throw dust on myself. There we go. Ooh! Look at this crazy ass view. Oh. This damn lens keep getting foggy on me. Oh man. This looks crazy. If I just like don't look back, I feel like I'm out in the fucking desert. Like I'm in some apocalyptic situation. I had to get out of somewhere and I just stormed down to the random. And I'm about to get sniped right now because somebody can see me from miles away. This shit is crazy. And as soon as we move from that mountain right there, as we get to this empty space, the breeze kicks in. Woo, this is that rough ass road. It's mainly rough right there, quite a bit rocky right here, which is a little scary. Yeah, it's very rocky right here. all, it actually doesn't seem half bad on the scooter when I'm driving slower and I have much softer suspension. My bike suspension is quite a bit rougher and I'm driving at higher speeds. Usually, at least. That was rough. Shit. It's weird. I actually feel a little more stable in this bike than I do my bike. I feel more stable in this scooter than I do my bike. I would expect my bike to feel a little more stable. Just driving through a random neighborhood. But yeah, I expect my bike to feel a little more stable. This actually feels a little more stable in the wind right now. Probably because I am moving slower, much slower. But still surprising. I think my wheels are sliding in the rain. Or on this very wet, smooth ground. Which I'm gonna take this turn real slow. Woo-wee. I think we know where the wind's blowing. That wind is most definitely blowing this way, because holy shit. Did I just put myself in a dead end again? I cannot tell. I said again because I have driven around this neighborhood before. There we are. Alright, I think it's about time I chop this video off here because my footage is probably fucked because of all this rain. If my visor or my helmet got this much rain on it, I know the GoPro got a lot. So it has been me. I hope y'all enjoyed this nice little ride. If you did, make sure you go ahead and like, comment, subscribe for more. Stay tuned for more if you want. And I'm out. Peace.